ADIPEC, AVEVA is going to advocate for a greener future. We're going to spotlight our industrial software that helps our customers design, build, operate smarter to help accelerate the energy transition and also drive measurable emissions reductions. There's really three key things that you're going to see at our booth at the event. We're going to be talking about AVEVA Connect and really about bringing to life the concept of the connected industrial economy in the Shape the Connected Future pod. We also have AVEVA's solutions that help our customers design and build more efficient plants being hosted at our Design and Build corner. And the third area that we're focusing on is how we help companies operate more efficiently and reliably in the Operate and Optimize the Future corner. So we'll be there exhibiting in Hall 4, booth 4410. And we also have some presence at our partner booth. So you'll see us with Schneider Electric presenting on a leak detection solution, as well as with Microsoft highlighting how AVEVA Connect supports industrial companies in driving innovation, growth, and sustainability. You can also keep a lookout for some news with AVEVA and AWS at the event. We do have our executive team, including Casper, Rashesh, and Evgeny, participating in strategic panels and expert dialogues on scaling up technology for an efficient and sustainable transition, as well as unlocking the full potential of AI and the future of hydrogen storage and transportation. So we're super excited about it and looking forward to a really successful event. To simplify it down, the connected industrial economy is about breaking down silos. Silos across the four walls of the plant, across the entire value chain, enabling operators, suppliers, vendors, software partners to all collaborate together to solve big challenges like climate change and decarbonization. We all know that we perform better together than as individuals, and bringing together that expertise across boundaries will help us unlock those new opportunities. As the team at BP has evolved the sophistication of this deployment, they've started to use that technology to model CO2 emissions and to plan, test, and evaluate strategies for carbon reduction. And so by enabling remote collaboration and sharing data in a cloud environment, we're helping our customers reduce also travel, which in turn helps them to reduce carbon footprint. So we're seeing a lot of benefits from the use and the opening up of this new connected industrial economy.
I think that digital solutions is the biggest enabler of energy transition, and it all starts with data. You cannot optimize what you don't understand. You cannot scale without automation. And when you look at the highest emitting sector, you mentioned energy, mobility, materials, it's estimated that digital solutions at scale can reduce global emissions by up to 20% by 2050. So the opportunity is huge. And AVEVA's mission is exactly this: spark industrial ingenuity to connect people with trusted information, insights, assets to drive responsible use of the world resources. And when you look, I'll give you three examples of how our software can help customers accelerating their sustainability journey. First is to decarbonize existing facilities by optimizing energy use, adopting lower intensity carbon fuel whenever possible. Second is to use digital solutions to increase collaboration within the organization and with other organizations to build these more complex value chains, to accelerate the transition of sharing data and creating new business model. And data is like money. The more you use it, the more value it generates. And I can give you an example of how we work with Aker Carbon Capture, who operates in brand new, very sophisticated carbon capture and storage value chain. We enabled their engineers to collaborate in the cloud, speeding the design and development of their carbon capture units by 20%. And third example I would like to give you is how we contribute to development and deployment of clean energy solutions. Some of them are already commercially viable, like wind, solar, modular nuclear, or circular feedstocks. but some of them are pioneering, and we want to get them out of this prototype phase to industrialization phase and successful commercialization phase with the least of cost and risk for them. And these are like hydrogen, green hydrogen, ammonia, carbon capture and storage at scale, advanced biofuels. And the two examples of successful collaboration with our customers would be, for example, the global chemicals leader Covestro, who pioneered new bioplastics production, or Topsoe, who is a Danish company specializes in carbon emissions technology. They own a proprietary solid oxide electrolyzer cell technology. And thanks to this technology and our software, AVEVA process simulation, they actually produce 30% more of hydrogen with the similar electricity volume used, which is at 30% lower cost. So as you can see, sustainability is good for business, and what's good for the planet is good for business. Thank you very much for highlighting our achievements, and there's more to come. Sustainability is a core part of our business, and we use green software techniques to lower our own carbon footprint, at the same time to provide software for companies in energy or infrastructure sectors to support them in their own sustainability journey. So obviously the number one task for us will be to make sure the software is green, embed sustainable principles into development of our software, how to architecture it, to avoid unnecessary data movement, how to develop it, how to run it to reduce the environmental impact of operating our products. So we want to limit the carbon emissions from use of our product, which is part of our scope 3. And then we want to baseline the energy consumption of our products for our customers. So that's one part. And the second exciting part that is to our launching Sustainability Accelerator, which will serve as catalyst for deepened sustainable innovation at AVEVA. This is where we will get across the enterprise, working closely together with our sales, marketing, innovation, and product group to gain comprehensive insights into what are the biggest challenges of the industry today. And this focused investment and insights will propel a new sustainability portfolio solutions that we hope come up and feature shortly. So that's exciting. And just to underline that the second opportunity, we believe that the positive impact of our solutions is our single biggest opportunity as a software company to make a sustainable difference in the world. It's true that this year is exceptional. ADIPEC and COP28 have a lot of in common this year. They're hosted in UAE. They both have decarbonization, energy efficiency, hydrogen, and technology at the heart of their program. So, of course, AVEVA, as we address, our software addresses the challenge. Our software improves efficiency, reduces carbon emissions, minimize waste, or helps to enhance circularity. It's important for AVEVA to join COP28, join ADIPEC, and join COP28 to demonstrate how the digitization plays a critical role in achieving ESG goals. So AVEVA's delegation at COP28 will be led by our CEO, Kasper Herzberg, and our Global Vice President of Sustainability, Lisa V, that you mentioned you've already met. AVEVA will be sponsoring the International Chamber of Commerce in the Blue Zone. And of course, we would like to invite more organizations to join the net zero race and connect with us at ADIPEC or COP28. I think the two great today calls to action, decarbonizing faster together for ADIPEC and Unite, Act, Deliver is exactly what we need to do. And we at AVEVA, we want to be at the heart of this action.